Hello friends, in this series of videos, we are learning different aspects of form settings. As this form settings utility has bunch of features, we have divided these videos into 4 different parts. In previous videos, we have seen how to modify fields in a form, how to create a new form template, and how to assign rights to reports. If you have not seen the previous videos, then we request you to watch that video before continuing here. This is the part 4 where we will learn how to define SMS settings for form templates in DataNote. Let's see how can we do that. First, log into your admin account. Navigate to Settings, User Rights, Design Roles and click on Form Settings. Here you can view the list of all forms. Please note that all these forms comes predefined in DataNote. However, you can rename any form as per your requirements. Also keep in mind that changing anything here will affect the entire system. Here we will set an SMS template for our demo proposal form. Click on SMS settings and select the type of SMS trigger. Now select yes or no to tell the system whether to ask before sending SMS. Then select the appropriate SMS template. Please note that if you want to create customized SMS template, you can open a new ticket as feature request from help desk. Finally, click on OK to save the settings. Now let's go to our previous record from proposal. Here you can see as soon as we approved the proposal, the system gave us a prompt whether you want to send an SMS alert or not.